forever. And I've been told it's beautiful to see this time of year. And they say the snow can blind you till the world you left behind just disappears out of you. I packed your bags and I left them in the hallway. But before you leave again, there's just one thing you ought to know. When the icy wind blows through you, remember that it's me who feels the cold most of all.